Sometimes kubalulekile like uhlala phansi u-accept ukuthi yabo, not what I'm accepting, but like it's not something I prioritize. It's not something engithi, oh ma, I want it. I don't, not that ukuthi angiyifuni entirely, but like it's not something engihlalisa ingenza ukuthi ngingasakwazi nokulala ebusuku because ngithi awe ma ezinye iy'ngane ziyalotsholwa hey. I told you guys I want to be a dog mom. I want to be fucking sexy. I'm always going to be fucking sexy because I will make sure that I stay fucking sexy. And then after that, and then travel. I've been wanting to travel. Why am I dating the people laba bangasho nje ukuthi babe awufuna ukuthatha abangani bakho nihambe near somewhere around the world, somewhere noma athi asambeni baby. I think since kuzobe kuyi-winter lana, I think we should just chase summer. Let's go to Ireland, let's go there. Yabona ingakho ngasafuna umjolo ngoba awungihambile kahle. So all I'm saying is that akuyona into enhle, I won't lie, like it's very beautiful, but akuyona into engithi oh ma, I wish that was me. I'll give you an outfit for the shoot. Oh, that's nice. Let me see your outfits. And also, please show me your work. Excuse me, quick DM. Oh, friend, you say enamvos. It's enamvos choming. Mpuzi savona. Google number 6. Kamfana. Oh. Sifuna ichankura, angifuni ukuthi ngisemzumbe, ngifuna ukuthi I'm somewhere in Sandton, Blue Valley, somewhere Serengeti, somewhere ngifuna ukuthi yes. Ngise Serengeti, angifuni ukuthi ngisemzumbe, angifuni. Ngifuna ukuthi somewhere ikephi Stain City, yabo endaweni enjalo. Angifuna ukuthi umuzwa wami kuthiwa usemzumbe. I'm not saying I'm trust me guys, no, I'm not saying ukuthi I'm looking down on umzumbe. No, I'm not saying that, but I'm just saying that Leandro distresses iy'ngane and I don't think he's doing too much for them also kuleso stress abafakela sona because baningi on top of that. Kade ngisho umuntu wakho use-America hey kade wawusho futhi. You've been saying that. You've been awena cha bandla. Get somebody else to do it. Come through to Magadeni Bar. Victor Pumalanga, guys, we're rocking. Let's operate. Oh, ngiyakuzokushawa na promo. Zikhuluma kandoda eFebatho. Kuni avecika mengimbuka umsele kuhlala ethi yo. Cishe ngava mina guys. Njalo uyakusaba ukufa yo. Uyakusaba ukufa, uyakusaba.